This is a tutorial for the counterclockwise 4-beat corkscrew, which I'm demonstrating now. For the purposes of this tutorial, the right hand is this raspberry color, the left hand is this blueberry color. You can do this move in full length like this, standing static, turning with it, turning against it, and then you can also do it on the inside plane with the same turns, both with it and against it. Although I demonstrated those in the opposite order. So the first thing about this is it's a multi-beat move. This is what we used to do before tech was really tech. We just added more beats to shit. So the first thing you'll want to do is learn what the hands are doing. Since we're going in counterclockwise, the right hand is going to come underneath the left hand. So the fingertips are underneath. And then the left hand comes up over here because the left poi is spinning on top like this, while the right poi is spinning down here like this. And what happens is the hands hook like this. The left hand leads. The left hand's on bottom. It's still leading. The right hand comes over here, so it's got this extra beat down here. And the left comes up over the head. And then the hands are going to unwind. So they unhook. And then they're going to rehook so that the left hand comes in here, hooks around the right wrist, and the right hand is up here so that the left poi is going to come down first. So I'm going to demonstrate this in super short poi, slow-mo, as slow-mo as I can. So you're like this, basically. Right? The right one's going to come underneath. The left one comes up like that. And then as they come up, you're going to open. You'll be up here like this. And then the left poi is going to wrap around and come below the right wrist as you come out of it. Right? So the first thing I recommend is trying each hand individually with the hand motion. So first, the hands, they do this. Back view, like this. Then you're going to come up here, open, and then like this. The left wraps around. Open it up. Right wraps, come up. Open it up. Left wraps, come down. Just the right poi and left hand, but not the left poi. So I'm going to stand sideways for the bottom. The right one's going to come underneath. This left one will come up. You'll open when you get up top. And then the left poi will tuck, pulling the right arm down. The right arm tucks underneath, the left pulls it up, they open up. The left is going to tuck, pulling the right arm down, open it up. Right tuck, come up. Left pulls it down. Right tuck, left pulls it up. Left tuck, bringing it down. Okay, now we'll switch. Left one. You'll notice I'm doing this short poi. The reason I'm doing it short poi is because there's less need to control it, and you can have more time when you're doing the movement because it's short and you don't have to get out of the way of it. And I think it's easier to learn it in general because there's less to tangle as well when you start working with both of them. Plane is super important because you have a small margin of error because of the tightness of the way the beats are wrapped around each other. So let's see, the left poi is going counterclockwise, and then what's going to happen is the right hand comes in underneath, and then the left swings like this, right? So it's going to swing up, and then you're going to go over your head. So the right is going to tuck, left comes up and come up over your head, and then you have it open like this. Then the left hand is going to come around, tuck, and pull the right poi down. So you're spinning up here like this. The left poi is going to tuck around the right wrist, pulling the right wrist down. The right poi tucks underneath the left wrist, pull the left poi up, and that'll pull the right arm with it, right? So right poi tucks, left pulls it up, left poi tucks, and then pulls it down. Right poi tucks, left comes up, left comes around, pulling the right arm down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, then to put it together, I recommend that you learn two hands short poi, either the bottom or the top first. Most people I've worked with find the top a little bit easier. I don't know why. So you're spinning this way with both poi. If you look up at them, they will look clockwise, even though when you look down below you, they will look counterclockwise, subjective direction change. So as you're doing this, the left poi is going to come around the right wrist, and it's going to tuck. And as it does that, it's going to pull the right arm down, but the right poi is going to stay on the plane above the left poi. So come around, tuck, and pull it down. Come around, tuck, and pull it down. Come around, tuck the left poi, pull the right arm down. So as soon as the left poi hits, the left wrist hits the right wrist, you're going to pull the arm down. The poi comes underneath and pull it down. Poi comes underneath and pull it down. So they're both up here. Left poi pulls the right arm down when the left wrist touches. Okay, now we're going to go up. When the right wrist touches the left wrist, it's going to come on top. The left poi comes up and pulls the right one up. So you're down here. When the right poi comes underneath the left wrist and the wrists touch, pull the left poi up like this. Right poi comes under, pull the left poi up. I'm just trying to give you different angles. The right poi comes under, pull the left poi up. The right poi comes under, pull the left poi up. Then tuck the left poi, pull the right poi down. Right poi in. Left poi pulls it down. Right poi tuck, left pulls up. Left tucks, right pulls down. So this is what it is when you put it together. And this is still short poi. And now it's longer poi. And now it's longer poi still. Different angles. Okay, just a close-up of the wrists here. As you are going up from the bottom, the right hand comes around and tucks, and the left is like this. So this poi is here, and then this poi is on the plane here. So there's not a very big margin of error, which is why I think the shorter poi actually are a little easier. Then for the top, like this, you've just opened your hands. Take the left one, come around, and you're in the basically opposite position that you were in. So instead of the right one tucking like this as you were going up, the left one tucks like this as you're coming down.